भी दुश्मन है मेरे रज़ा का जल रहा था जला.
Some information regarding the month of Ramadan, regarding what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in relation to this glorious month, this blessed month, this month in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the Holy Quran, and it is the only month to have the honor of being mentioned by Allah Azza wa Jal in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Baqarah with these words, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. As respectable viewers and listeners will know, that this is that month in which Allah Azza wa Jal has prescribed, has declared as farz, as obligatory, as compulsory fasting for the believers with these words in Surah Al-Baqarah. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum. So Allah Azza wa Jal says, O believers, iman walo, because roza, Saum, is for the believers. If someone who is not a believer observed the fast, he or she would not be rewarded. As the precondition for any virtue, for establishing any virtue, for qualification of reward, the prerequisite is Iman. Aqidah, have Iman, to be a Muslim, to be a mu'min. So, Iman walo, or those who have been honored with belief. Kutiba alaykum siyam. Allah Azza wa Jal has prescribed upon you, He has declared as obligatory upon you the fast. Kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. As it was prescribed to those people before you, as it was prescribed upon those people before you. In the Holy Quran, Allah Azza wa Jal Himself has mentioned the importance behind the fast. That la'allakum tattaqun, ke shayad tum parezgar ho jao, shayad tum muttaqi ho jao. So the purpose behind the fast in the divine sight of Allah Azza wa Jal is that via the fast, through the fast, by virtue of the fast, roza som ke zariye tum muttaqi aur parhezgar ho jao. This is the primary objective of fasting. It's not just simply to abstain from food and water and from qurbat. No, it is to do that with the intention, niyat-e ibadat ke saath, with the intention of worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal. This is the purpose behind it, that when you are fasting, the niyyah, innamal a'malu bin niyat, that whatever action we do, it is subject and conditional upon the niyat, and our niyat must be corrected. We must correct our niyats and organize our niyats and make sure that our niyat, we are doing it for the right reason. Not to lose weight, not for any other purpose, but only for the worship of Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah Azza wa Jal ki ibadat ki niyat se khane peene aur jama se baaz rakhna from sunrise to sunset. This is what, from the break of dawn all the way to sunset, with the intention of worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is the primary objective of fasting. Not because we are compelled to do it, not because we have been forced to do it, but the devotees of Allah, respectable viewers and listeners, they do not worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because they have to. They do not do it under pressure, but they do it with pleasure. It is our pleasure to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and consider yourself to be fortunate. अपने आप को खुश किस्मत समझो कि अल्लाह तबारक व तआला ने आपको तौफीक इनायत फरमाई है कि आप उसकी इबादत बजा ला रहे हैं और उसकी इबादत कर रहे हैं. इस पर जितना भी शुक्र किया जाए कम है. And we should be grateful to Him. We haven't done an ihsan on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but we have done ihsan upon ourselves. And we are doing it because Allah Azza wa Jal deserves to be worshipped. वही इबादत के लायक है. There is no one besides Allah who deserves to be worshipped. Jo mustahiq ibadat hai. So we are doing it with the intention that we are worshipping Allah. لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ मकसद अल्लाह तबारक व तआला के नजदीक क्या है कि ताकि तुम परहेजगार हो जाओ, मुत्तकी बन जाओ, अल्लाह तबारक व तआला से डरने वाले, उसके अजाब से डरने वाले हो जाओ. And there are many levels of taqwa. There are many levels of piety, of righteousness, and to abstain from sinning in the fear of the punishment of Allah. This is also taqwa. To abstain from sinning, गुनाहों से बाज रहना, अल्लाह के अजाब से के खौफ से, यह भी तकवा है. और अल्लाह तबारक व तआला के जो इनामात है उनके हुसूल के लिए गुनाह से बाज रहना, उसकी फरमा बरदारी करना, यह भी तकवा है. बट द अल्टीमेट तकवा, जो सबसे अफजल तरीन मकाम है तकवे का, what is that? That is to do it simply to attain the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. कि अल्लाह तबारक व तआला की रिजा हासिल करने के लिए उसकी फरमा बरदारी इख्तियार करना. To be obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to simply attain His rida, His pleasure, to please Him, to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it is not something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, na'udhu billah min dhalik, He just wants us to keep away from food and water, just for the sake of it. No. It is in our interest, it is in our favor that we fast. Allah Azza wa Jal, wo to beniyaz hai. He is Allahu Samad. He does not need your worship. He does not need my worship. He does not even need the worship of the angels, who are, there are infinite amount of angels. The true number only Allah Azza wa Jal knows, as the Quran says, وَمَا يَعْلَمُ جُنُودَ رَبِّكَ إِلَّا هُ. And they are continuously worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is their ghidha, that is their food, their sustenance is to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is in our interest. This Sawm, it is a means. There are people out there who deny means, who deny wasila. So even here, this is a vasta, this is a wasila by which, whereby we are going to become muttaqi.